Anastasia said I have to do it. I've probably swallowed some of them. It's okay. What is the rate of success in planting basil? It's funny, but I did it 15 years ago. I feel the power of plants. It works. So I'm gonna make a wish now again, I swear. I don't know why I'm bringing roses in the pot. They are dying after 1 week. But the cactuses, they love me. I love them. Fertilizer, it's for my cactus here, for my baby. My baby, I love him. I have him since 2 years, I believe. And he went through multiple attacks from cats. The cleaners that were coming, they would always touch him, and you know, the one branch would fall down. My hero, he's growing, he loves sun, he loves water. Cactus is the only plant that can grow in my house. Also, the other thing which is growing, I'm good with vegetables. Basil, chamomile, cherry tomatoes that you grow in your house or on the balcony are so tasty. They're almost sweet, so rich in flavor, really. That's why I bought them. Was not planning to, but I saw and I was like, I remember this taste. It's gonna take some time for them to, you know, produce fruits from the seeds, but it's okay. I'm gonna wait 6 months, I believe. Yeah, no problem. Nothing happens like this because I want to plant pot today as well. It's a long pot with soil. The soil is already prepared, and I said I will plant these seeds myself. I'm gonna tell you a story now. So it's a story time. Many years ago, I would say 15 years ago, I read a book that inspired me and I would say changed my life as well, at least at that point. It's called Anastasia. It's they say it's based on a true story about a girl that lives in the forest in Siberia in harmony with nature. Like, she doesn't wear clothes, she eats a little bit berries, she is in sync with the God and with the energies around and with the plants and with the animals, and she can talk like with telepathy. So it's a very long story, and she inspired the guy. He was an entrepreneur, he came to Siberia, he came for business, then he met her accidentally, but nothing's by accident, you know. And she convinced him to write a book about her. And long story short, she was saying that when you plant a seed, all nature is helping us to heal us or to make our dreams come true, help with our, like, realize our intentions and stuff. If you have something on your mind and you want to make this happen, you have to take the seed, keep it in your mouth for 9 seconds, think about the project or what are you planning to do, like a dream, and then you plant it. And when it becomes a fruit, or better if it's a fruit, of course, you eat it, and basically your dream comes true eventually. And it's funny, but I did it 15 years ago. Strawberry, yeah. And you know what my dream was? To become a model. To become a model and walk on the ramp. I swear to God. Then it started sprouting, it started growing, and when it became proper plant, it started blossoming. Some of the flowers died, and I was trying to, you know, pollinate it by myself, gently with some feathers. It made 2 or 3 strawberries in the end. I ate them, and look at me now. Look at me now. 15 years later, I've done in Dubai like all possible shows. I worked with all top brands, so maybe it works. So I'm gonna make a wish now again, I swear. Oh, watch me. What shall we start with? Tomatoes, chamomile or basil? I think the wishes I will make for pomodoro. I need to think of which wish, because I want, you know, easily. Someone will ask me to write 100 wishes, I will write it. There is few wishes I want, yeah. Oof, they're small, they're so small. So small. So I'm gonna put some of them here. Here. Yes, I will add some more wishes. There is still a lot here. This will become reality soon, maybe next year. For chamomile, maybe we can wish some health or something like health related. And for basil, basil is like, you know, basil is also protection from evils and stuff. So let's wish for some positivity or something. It's black. It's black. What can I wish for basil? I'm gonna open my wish list. I have 100 wishes. Wow, this would be cool. I have never planted basil, so I don't know how it will sprout. What is the rate of success in planting basil? Tomatoes, I know they will all sprout, but basil, we don't know. I feel the power of plants. Now we have chamomile. Oh, I forgot. If all of them will become reality. One dream came true today. Let me mark it. Done. Yeah. Ooh, it's two of them. Maybe it's girl and a boy. I should not throw this. Annual, the dried flowers. I used to prepare chamomile tea, pull the entire plant up and hang upside down in a cool, dry place before removing the flowers. You see? There's special technique how to harvest chamomile. Guys, soon we will be drinking organic chamomile tea in my big house. I don't know, shall I plant both of them? Because you know, some plants they have male and female plant, and they are not gonna make babies unless there is male and female, just like humans, and we want these babies. So we're doing it again. Shall I do it? I'm just gonna do it. Anastasia said I have to do it. I have to do it. I've probably swallowed some of them. It's okay. And then we add water. That's it, the planting is done. I know my dreams are pretty realistic. If I put effort, if I start working on it, things will happen. Just like you know, anything in this world, with everything you put effort, things happen. And when I'm saying that nature is helping you make your wish come true, doesn't mean you did the ritual and then you just sit and watch TV. Of course not. No, not at all. It's not like this. You have to work, and when you keep this intention inside of you, you just focus better, and you know, somehow energies and everything comes around, sends you right people. And also we always have right people around us, but we're not open to collaborate with them and to accept them in our life. So hopefully nature will guide me, will open my heart, my eyes to the best opportunities, possibilities, and you know, and will give me strength to focus and do things. That's it. So repeat this ritual and tell me after 5 years, did it work or not? If anything of what I planned today became reality, I will let you know after 5 years. Okay. So that's it for today. I guess that's all. Yeah. That's the whole vlog, mini vlog, and Bye bye.